Makhosi. Ngiyanibingelela nina lapha emakhaya, all you valuable viewers of Kemi TV, all you visitors that are just going through YouTube, watching random spiritual videos, and you just happen by chance to land on this video. Ngiyanamukela nina zingane zethongo. Nina ingane ezakakhokhwa semandulo. Ithongo elikhulu, ithongo lethu sonke. Ngiyasithoba phambi kwenu ngithi makhosi. Umkhulusader lo. Igedla lamashqishqa. Umprofeti uShamun owathunywa ingilosi zesibhakabhaka, ingilosi zasentabeni, ingilosi zasemanzini. Ngithi ngiyanibingelela and welcome to our channel, guys. Bakwethu, the videos have been doing okay. The videos are doing well, but I am still checking our channel statistics, and I can still that there is a good I can still see that there is a good percentage of people that are not subscribed. So guys, subscribe and hit the notification bell. All right. Bagwetu, here are my social media channels. Just go on any one of these. If you don't see one there, that means I don't have a channel on there. That means I don't have an account on there. That means Kemi TV doesn't have an account. Remember, Crusader only operates from these channels in terms of social media. I have no accounts where I post bengiphuza ubhiya kuphi, ukuthi bengigibela intaba kuphi, ngibonisa ukuthi I'm glorified in my whole attire. Strictly business. All right, Kemi TV, look for me there. 061-178-1304 for those of you that want to book online consultations and book consultations face to face. For those of you that want to make payments for products that prefer to payment to my account, here's my F&B account this side. I'm sure you've seen the title of this video. He says one thing, then he says another. Crusader, what do you mean by you don't need a sangoma? You do not need a sangoma. Crusader, what are you referring to? Kosiami, how to talk to your ancestors directly. Before gijima uyobhula uzwe indaba ehlukahlukene noma indaba engacacanga engaqondile. You've been told ukuthi you need a sangoma to speak to your ancestors. You have this notion or this idea ukuthi it is only izangoma abantwana bomoya that are able to connect you, to get you messages from your ancestors. Yes, to a certain degree, for your ancestors to be channeled and for you to get life guidance, you need umuntu oqondile, umuntu ocacile, umuntu oyaziyo lento ayenzayo. But what if I told you ukuthi you already have connection to your ancestors and they've already been trying to talk to you? They've already been trying to reach out to you. It's just you're not able to discern the omens, the synchronicities, the messages, and the dreams. So in this video, I want to show you how you can remove the middleman, how you can ususum crusader and have a one-on-one with your ancestors. So what's the myth? Let me just clear up what I'm trying to say. While sangomas and spiritual healers are powerful guides, you don't need a title. You don't need a title of prophet or ubungoma to connect with your ancestors to begin with. Ha! Every person is born with an ancestral connection. Labantu baxhumane nawe ngegazi lakho. You carry their blood within you. And so you do not need somebody to authorize you ukuthi uphahle. You don't need somebody while you're walking ukuthi bizibongo zakho and just converse with them. Ingilosi yakho ihlala ilalele bona mabangakuzwa enimlayezo izofinyelela kubo if ukhuluma into enomqondo ocacile. Communication begins with belief and consistency bakwethu. Angeke wena ukhulume nedlozi nje kuphela makhosi bantu abadala. Angeke wena ukhulume nedlozi nje kuphela because you need something. Because wena udinga imali, because wena udinga imoto entsha. Sometimes go converse with your ancestors to give thanks. Sometimes converse with your ancestors to say sorry ngoba uyabona into oyenzile beyingahambelani with your bloodline or uyenze nje into enganangqondo eqondile. So belief and consistency uyabafundisa abantu abadala ukuthi bakhulume nawe bajwayele ukuthi okay naye lengane le ehlezi vele in conversation with us. You don't just show up like a spiritual gold digger uzocela imali njalo from your ancestors. Step number 1, guys. Step number 1, you must create a sacred place umsamo somewhere, whether esibayeni, whether endlini, or if you stay in an apartment or you stay somewhere where you are renting, kuyaphoqa ukuthi ube nomsamo. Kuyaphoqa ukuthi umise umsamo. If you're staying in an apartment, uzomisa umsamo wengilosi without icansi and all the other essentials. But a tower is needed for the signal to connect. Kumele uthole indawo ethulile. You must find a quiet place. La ekuhlala umsamo khona akumelanga kube nomsindo. Akumelanga kube ne-up and down kuloku kungena abantu, kungena noma ubani obhedayo, ophethe noma yini emzimbeni wakho, ungcolile, uclean. No. It must be a place that cannot be accessed all the time. Yaziwa ukuthi akungenwa la. Number 2, ungitholele lokhu, ungitholele icansi, ungitholele a white cloth. You can either get both of these or you can get just one of these. Ungitholele amakhandlela ayi-2 ukuthi amele ingilosi ezakaboyise nezakabonyoko. You must get me 2 white candles so that you can connect to the angel from your paternal side and the angel from your maternal side. Abanye basebenzisa ikhandlela elilodwa. And their guardian angel is the one that connects to all the other angels and the ancestors. Kuya kuwe, if suphuphisiwe amakhandlela, if you've seen the candles you should be using, use those candles. But which always keep a glass of water emsamo. Kodwa it mustn't be a glass that always has water. Uma ukhuleka noma uphahla, you take that glass ugcwalisa amanzi. Uma uphahla uzothela kancane ubatshele ukuthi nako kwenu okokuphuza. Uma usucedile ukuphahla nokukhuleka, lawo manzi uyawaphuza owachithi. When you are done using that water, you do not pour it out. You drink it. That glass cannot sit on your shrine or on your altar with water. When you finished using it, you drink it. Emakhosini, and then you'll get ancestral or rather items that connect you to your ancestral spirits. That could be photos, that could be old ornaments that your grandmother or your grandfather used to own. Izinto ezinjalo njalo. And then uma ukhona lapha ungakhohlwa impepho mkhulu. Impepho kumele ibe khona emsamo. But remember, with regards to impepho, there are certain tribes and certain family lines within certain tribes that do not use impepho. For example, I know there's some Tsonga lines, Tsonga family lines, that they are prohibited from ukusebenzisa impepho because their ancestors didn't use impepho. And so bona mabaphahla baphahla ngeglass elemilimili ehlanganiswe namanzi awoma. And while baphahla balokhu bachitha lokho. So that's how they phahla. But for the rest of you, uma impepho was permitted, or if you don't know, go ahead and use it. Okay? Go ahead and have incense because it strengthens the connection between your ancestors. Once that is sorted, how do you speak to abantu bakini? Into yokuqala awuvese uvunduke emsamo, khanyisa amakhandlela uthi mama or uthi baba or uthi gogo and uqala ukhulume. You must approach with respect, for this is a sacred space la amadlozi akini ahlanganyela khona uma kufuna noma wena uma uwafuna. So ukhulume from inhliziyo kodwa always start with a greeting. If izibongo zakho uyazazi, bize izibongo, ubize ithakazelo to show respect to the ancestors. Nine nakasibanibani, nakandlovu, nakakhumalo, nakasibanibani, ngiyasondeza phambi kwenu, ngiza ngenhlonipho, ngiyasithoba phambi kwenu bogogo nabomkhulu bokhokho, nini enginaziyo kanye nanini enginganazi. You approach them with respect, call all your surnames, ask them for their audience, and then you start by giving gratitude before ucela. Noma ukhuleka, avese udumele endabeni. Last week uNkulunkulu ngikucele ukuthi unginike leya Golf 7. Angeke uyangiqhaphaza cha. You go there giving thanks for the little you have, for Yeshua Mashiach himself said, those who have even more will be given, but those who do not have, even the little they have will be taken away, which is a universal teaching of Uguti. If you are in the vibration of abundance and receiving, you will continue receiving abundance. If you are operating like somebody who lacks, then even whatever you have, lack will grow in your life. So, khumbule lokho. And then, once you've thanked them, ubatshele ke inkinga zakho, ubatshele ukuthi ucelani, kodwa ensure ukuthi you always speaking from the heart. Ngoba idlozi liyazi ukuthi yini esenhlizweni yakho. Ungadoma thina sonke, ukusitshela ukuthi ngifuna ukuthatha isithwalo ukuthi nginakekele umndeni wami, kanti you just want to pop champagnes with 10 baddies ngoba you don't have the proper vision. So be sincere when speaking to your ancestors. Ask for guidance afterwards and a sign. Ubatshele ukuthi phawulani kodwa ngicela niphawule ngendlela elula. Please answer me, but answer me in a way I can understand. Don't make my dreams too cryptic. Do not confuse me. Please give me light through omens, through signs, through abantu engizohlangana nabo. Khulumani, ningathuli nje. And then you give thanks afterwards. This is not performance. This is a very sacred communication. Ungafiki laphaya and act the fool. Because angeke lento le othi ufuna iyenzeke. So mkhulu ngiphahlile ngikhulumile namadlozi ami, I might be missing the signs. How do I know ukuthi the ancestors are speaking back to me or ukuthi they are communicating? Remember ukuthi amadlozi will not appear. Very rare instances umuntu uzoba nesibonakaliso during the day abone idlozi lize communicated directly. Because of the vibration they're in, it takes a lot of energy for them to condense and appear in that form. So generally they'll speak through numbers, synchronicities, 111, 444, etc., 333, 777. Those of you that want me to do a video on angel numbers, synchronicities, and so forth, go into the comment section and let me know. Same Kulu, do the video, and I'll do you guys a 10, and I'll give you a video on synchronicities and angel numbers. Now, the most common way they communicate, dreams. Okay, dreams of specific people or basifikele bona bakulethela umlayezo. Now, if you're getting encrypted dreams, thola umuntu okhona ukuhlaziya amaphupho, akuhlaziyele lelo phupho, atolike ukuthi bebathini, and translate for you or decrypt that dream for you. And how will you know if they're communicating you? At times, indlela ozozizwa ngayo, night or right after you sleep, when you've phahlat, right after you phahla at times, be intact and in communion with your emotions, so that you understand ukuthi kukhuluma idlozi manje, akukhulumi mina, angiziphupheli into yami. Cha, this is a message from the people. Right. Aside from everything, this one is a bit tough for a lot of people because you might end up picking up random things and thinking they're them. But omens, guys. Omens in forms of birds, insects, rare flowers, whatever, the wind blowing. Sometimes the next day after uphahlile kufika iy'nyosi ungazi ukuthi siphuma kuphi, ezithu zive sesifike sihlale kuwe sisukume sihambe, or for you to bump into a strange looking praying mantis, or ukuthi kuve sekugcwala amadada kini, or kube ne-peacock. They'll communicate through such omens. Okay, or ukuthi usahamba, you pick up a crystal or you pick up something, right? That will be their way of communicating with you. Even through YouTube, even through social media, you find an answer from a video that is specifically covering lento le ubulokhu ukhala ngayo. So always be in tune, always be connected. So Nkulu sengiphahlile, I've been looking for omens, I've been meditating, I've been praying, I still see no result. I still see no communication from them. Keep showing up, bakwethu. Keep showing up, consistency. Ubuyele uyophahla, ubuyele inkinga ngathi ukuthi sifuna ukukhuluma kayi-one into isheshe iyenzakala, which is not how it works in the spiritual realm. There are certain things that must be discussed. There are certain meetings that must be had. There are circumstances that you are facing ukuthi lento le ungayithola, makangathola le moto le, abantu banesikhwele la kule strat ngale ndlela le yokuthi bangaze bayishise le moto. Any circumstance. And so you must remain consistent. You must keep showing up even on important days, guys. When it's your birthday, when it's a death of ugogo wakho, uphahla umkhumbuze ukuthi ngisacabanga gogo, angakakhohlwa, ngisacabanga baba, angakakhohlwa. Remember to cleanse yourself regularly as well, because kunezinto, kuneyindawo wena maybe ozihambayo, maybe emsebenzini, maybe parties, maybe at groove, la ongcoliseka khona noma ushaka ngemithi nje. And thus you must continue to cleanse yourself. You must always practice spiritual hygiene. And more than anything, document everything, guys. Everybody should start having a dream journal and a spiritual journal. The more that you teach yourself how the The more you teach yourself to interact with the spirit world, the more the spirit world will interact with you. The more you'll start to be able to read the subtle language of the spiritual world. So if you are doing things just to do them, and then you continue your life as if you did not ask assistance from the spiritual world. Nkulunkulu ngicela ukuthi ungivikele kunamantombazane khona ukuvikeleka imali yami. Imali ihlezi iphela and I'm finishing it on the girls. The money is forever running out because I'm busy with the babies. I'm busy with the gents. And then when uyaphuma uyekonka you're spending 20,000. Kuwukuthi umholo wakho loyo. Uhola 25,000 uyekonka usithembise ukuthi uzospenda 5,000 wafika ePDL washaya yonke 20,000. You are in contradiction to what you are requesting. So be in line. Basic tips: always speak with respect, mokhuluma namadlozi, and humility. They are our parents. It's not your friends. I feel lapha dropping F-bombs, dropping S-bombs. No matter how angry you are, humility and respect is what will pull your ancestors close to you. Avoid for asking for material things too early or all the time. Bakuzwile. Ucele ukuthi izinto zivuleke this week. Give it a week for them to deliberate. Ungavuki kusasa uthi yabona ngishilo vele ukuthi ayikho into abazoyenza. Cha. Be chilled. Stop being a spiritual gold digger. Right. Don't lie to them. Again, they know what is in your heart. Be honest. Uma usukhathela kube semsebenzini, usho kubo ukuthi ngicela ninginikezeni amandla ukuthi ngibekezele noma ningiboniseni ukuthi why don't I want to be at work anymore? Why ngasafuna ukusebenza icontract? Kuwukuthi yangisiza ukuthi nginakekele umndeni wami. Bona bakukhanyisele ukuthi amandla wethu aphelela la. We know you want something better, but as idlozi lakho, this is as strong as we are. Unfortunately, we do not have knowledge of business or power to help you start a business. And then uthatha isinqumo ukusuka lapho. And then learn your bloodline stories, guys. This is a side quest for everybody. Understand your bloodline. Yazi ukuthi niphumaphi. Isibongo sakho sihlangane nobani. Bekuwubani umama kakhokho. Chase it down until you find it. Ukuze emaphuphweni makufika abantu noma sekugcwala amakhaladi noma sekugcwala amandiya ephuphweni uzibuze ukuthi ngaphupha amandiya kwenze njani nomndawo. Kanti it turns out ukuthi wena unomndiya kancane, ukuthi wena une-Taj Mahal kancane phakathi kwakho. So pay attention to your bloodline stories, record them, create a family tree, uyipaste emsamo. It helps you connect more, and if you want and if you can, share the legacy with others in the family, because the more that they know ukuthi ngiphuma kuphi, the more there's awareness ukuthi idlozi ngikhona ngiphahlile lafika lathi, the more everybody will be in connection, the more idlozi will owe it to you ukuthi uyibuyisile lento la ekhaya. For a long time bekunganamsamo. Right, so next time you feel lost, don't wait for permission or look for isango. Just on the straight emsamo and begin ukuphahla, praying and asking for guidance. The ancestors are listening even now. Bakwethu ngiyanibonga ngothando kaMvelinqangi. If you've tried to talk to your ancestors, if they've replied, what did you feel? What was their reply? Without going into too much detail, without taking out names, go into the comment section, comment usitshele ukuthi this is my experience Mkhulu Seda, this is what I experienced ngalesikhathi ngidila namadlozi, ngalesikhathi ngiphahla. You never know who you could inspire out there beyond Mkhulu Seda ukuthi wothi kuvuka umsamo la ekhaya. I don't need isangoma. Let me start it myself, communicating with abantu abadala. Mkhulu Seda lo, Mkhulu Seda igedla lamashishkwe. Inyanga yama course. Ngithi ngiyanithanda ngothando kaMvelinqangi. May you guys have a blessed week ahead and a blessed weekend. Emakhosini.